In Process now has a public and free indexer for all USDC purchases for any purchase event. Here's an example of using the indexer. I can pull in fields like the amount for how much I purchased a specific moment for, the collection, the recipient, the spender, the transaction hash. And if I click the play button, we'll then get back every single payout event in USDC. And so we can see this was a purchase event for $2 where the recipient is here and the spender was here. We can verify all this over here on chain. So here's an example. This is the same payout event that we're looking at over here. $2 was spent. The recipient of those funds was 510 and the spender was 323. So the spender was 323 and the recipient was 510. And for that purchase price, the spender received this token from Sound of Fractures. And so what this is allowing us to do is we've created an indexer that is now constantly looking at any USDC spend event on in process. From here, the next step is to add this into our cron. Our cron is running once a second, and so we just need to sync every new event that happens on the indexer, run it through our cron, and then store it inside of our database. And what this is all working towards, the end state, is notifications when a work is collected and by who. That way, whenever someone collects one of your pieces on in process, you, the artist, get a notification. So that way you get alerted, okay, I just got paid. I know who the collector is. And then this is going to allow us to be able to expand much more on the artist side to be able to properly show you how much you've earned on in process. And on the collector side, to be able to show this is everything that you've collected, this is the total amount that you've spent, and this is just going to allow us to do better financial accounting for both artists and collectors.